Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Vihals bed frame from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after remove, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly are some pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 inch Allen key, and a 5/16 inch Allen key. If you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit. So the first step is to simply take off the slatted bed bases like this. Then take these two plastic holders out of the middle support beam shell. You may need pliers for the step. Also, put all the bits and pieces into a plastic bag so you don't lose them in the move. Now disconnect the middle support beam like this. Next, unscrew these 8 small screws. Then unscrew 2 screws per metal support piece. You'll be doing this a total of 4 times. Now unscrew the 2 mounting plates. Then, you can unscrew these 4 plastic holders to make the next steps easier. Now unscrew 8 screws for each rail. I recommend starting from the middle and leaving the screws at each end for last to minimize damage. The whole process will look like this. Then grab your 7/16" Allen key and unscrew each wheel lock with alternating half turns. When you don't feel any more resistance, repeat the same steps for the other side. Now disconnect the footboard from the sideboards like this. Next, I'd recommend either putting some tape over the wheel locks, or gently taking them out using pliers so you don't lose them in the move. Then with your pliers, pull out any exposed dowels. Now with your hand, unscrew these 4 bolts. Next, go to the back with the 5/16" Allen key and unscrew these 2 screws. Then disconnect the sideboard from the headboard like this. Next, I'd recommend putting some tape over these barrel nuts so they don't get lost in the move. Now pull out any exposed dowels. Then go to the other side and repeat the same steps. So now, you're done with disassembling the Vihals bed frame from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.